Healthy cells grow and divide in a controlled process.
DNA carries instructions that control cell behavior.
Cancer begins when DNA becomes damaged. Some damaged cells fail to repair themselves. These cells begin dividing without control. A tumor forms as abnormal cells multiply.
The tumor grows and presses on nearby tissue. Cancer forces the body to feed it. Cancer cells invade nearby organs.
The immune system tries to fight back.
Some cancer cells enter the bloodstream.
This allows cancer to spread. This process is called metastasis. Affected organs begin to fail.
The body slowly loses strength. Cancer drains vital energy from the body. Multiple systems become damaged.
Without treatment, damage continues.
Early detection can change everything.
Understanding cancer saves lives.